Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully responsive pricing card website page using auto layout in Figma. This tutorial is perfect for beginners as well as UI/UX designers who want to build real-world responsive designs. We'll start from a simple pricing card layout and step-by-step convert it into a responsive design that works perfectly on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in creating responsive pricing sections for websites using auto layout in Figma. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start designing, some basic resources like colors, text styles, and buttons are already available. This helps us design faster and saves a lot of time. First, we'll take a desktop-size frame and apply a background color to it. Now, select the text and button, move them inside the frame, and align them to the center. After that, apply Auto Layout by clicking the Auto Layout button or simply pressing Shift+A. Next, we'll select the other text and buttons and start creating one pricing card using Auto Layout. First, select the icon and button, apply Auto Layout using Shift+A, and set the width to 327 pixels. Now select the features list. Apply Auto Layout again using Shift+A, and give this frame. Padding, 20 pixels. Margin, 20 pixels. Corner radius, 20 pixels. Set the frame color to white with 10% opacity to create a glass effect. Also, make sure the width is set to 327 pixels. Now select everything inside the pricing card and apply Auto Layout. After that, select this entire card frame and apply one more auto layout using Shift+A. This allows us to control padding and spacing properly. Give this frame padding, 20 pixels, margin, 20 pixels, frame color with 15% opacity, corner radius, 30 pixels. Add a linear gradient border like this. Now let's check the responsive behavior. It's not responsive yet. Let's fix that. Select the inner frame and change its width to fill container. Now check again. Wow, it's working perfectly. Now select this pricing card and duplicate it to the side. Change the design slightly. Remove the border. Change the fill color. Apply a glass effect. You can customize this however you like. Let's delete this button because it's not required. Duplicate the card again and change the pricing value. Now select all three pricing cards and apply Auto Layout. Set the gap between cards to 20 pixels. Align everything to the center. Next, select all three cards and set a minimum width of 367 pixels. Now select the main frame and enable wrap, so the cards move to the next line on smaller screens. The cards move down, but they are not filling the width properly. To fix this, select all three cards and set their width to fill container. Now check again. Perfect. Next, select the header and pricing cards and apply Auto Layout. Set the header to fill container so it becomes fully responsive. Now select the main frame and test responsiveness again. Amazing. Finally, select the entire frame and apply Auto Layout. Oops, it's not responsive again. No worries, let's fix it. Select the main frame and set it to fill container. Check again. It's almost perfect, but the height is causing an issue. To fix this, change the height to hug contents. Now check again. Ta-da! The pricing page is now fully responsive for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices using auto layout in Figma. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any video suggestions, drop them in the comment box. I'll see you in the next video.